Hey guys, it's Alex, and in today's vlog, I will be using a couple of new things. What? Anyway, if you like this look, then I suggest you keep on watching because I'm gonna show you exactly how to do it. I know, exactly. So, stay tuned. I'm gonna go in with our new Shape Tape foundation, and I'm the shade Light Medium Honey. Just gonna place it all over. And I'm gonna take our Paddle to Perfection brush to get that flawless filter on my face. Now I'm gonna go ahead and use our Shape Tape Contour Concealer in the shade Light Medium. And I'm gonna use this with our new Shaper Sponge, which my mother loves to use with her hydrating Shape Tape foundation. I love me some blush, so I'm gonna go ahead and use the shade Captivating to fake my summer rosy cheeks. Just gonna smile and place that on the apples of my cheek. Now, fuzzy moment of truth. Our Maneater B2. I'm gonna just tell you how much I love this palette. This was my favorite palette the first time, and now it's even better because it has that black shade that you guys asked for to do that beautiful winged liner. So we're gonna do all of that right now, right here. Let's get ready to rumble. We're gonna start with the shade Passion right over here as a base all over the lid. Now we're gonna take the shade Purr right over here as our crease color. Going in with the shade Saucy, we're gonna add some dimension to our crease. We're gonna use that same shade Saucy and place that on our lower lash line. One of my other favorite shades in our Volume 1 palette was the highlight, which was called Lace. And let me just tell you guys, we made it in eyeshadow form. So now we're gonna take the shade Lace and place that all over our lid. For that fierce ass winged liner, I'm gonna use the shade Catcall right over here. And I love taking our double-ended eyeshadow brush to add my powder wings. I love that that black shade is added because now look at how easy it is to do a wing, and this is literally like a daytime look and a nighttime look. Or I can do what I'm doing and this is my daytime look because I feel like it. Now, because this is one of my favorite highlights, I'm gonna use the same shade Lace. I'm just gonna place that with my finger onto the high points of my cheekbones and my nose. I just applied a coat of our Maneater mascara, and now I'm gonna get you guys up close and personal for the application of our vegan, cruelty-free Maneater lashes. There is literally no surprise with this next part, but here it is for the umpteenth time. I'm gonna finish the look with our Quick Dry Lip Paint in the shade Killin' It. there you have it, a complete look using our Maneater V2 palette. Raise the roof. Let me know what your favorite eye look is and what you guys think of the final look. I'm gonna do what Lex always tells me to do and let you guys see it in slow-mo. Until next time, I will see you guys later. Peace.